Okay, here is a canner with, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pints of kraut. We just took the lid off. It was a hot water bath. Oh, it just got a whiff of steam there. The camera just got fogged over. Anyway, so we made, out of our batch of kraut, we had we put 24 pints in, 3 batches of 8, and one last night the lid blew, so we've got 23 we'll be putting on the shelves down in the basement, and one will be eaten fresh. Isn't that lovely? Look at that steam rising off of that. We got a jar over there we can show from last night, Susan. Here's a jar we did last night. Get some light on that. Isn't that beautiful? And how long was that cooking? How long was that working in the basement, Susan? 2 weeks?
I was longer.
Longer than 2 weeks. Yeah, Susan.
3 maybe.
Susan had surgery and that kind of delayed us. But yeah, we got a nice supply of kraut. There it's going. Getting close, and we are ready to lift. Let's start with the one in the center. Just tip them slightly sideways to get some of the water off the lid. Susan used the plastic Tatler lids.
They're reusable.
On these. They'll last longer than the metal lids.
Well,
with
the kraut doesn't react to it. And they are reusable. You can use the plastic numerous times. There's a rubber ring in there. It's good for at least 10 uses.
Oh, I can hear them talking. I don't know if the camera's picking that up or not. They're making some funny noises. And that's the end of our sauerkraut project. Got 23 good ones and one in the fridge that we'll eat fresh. We've still got a little cabbage out there that we can have some coleslaw from. Thank you, Susan. Thank you all for visiting. Oh boy, good times this winter coming up.